Have you ever wondered how to make this stopwatch product? Let's go see. Hello, Jan. Can you show us how to do this stopwatch project?
Yes. Firstly, this is a kit, so you have to solder it. So, I'm gonna open it and start soldering it. I would suggest looking at the website for more of how to do it. And in the meantime, we did the soldering already.
Okay, great. Okay, so that's what the project would look like.
Yeah, that's the final
Let's
product.
see what it does.
And if you start, it will give you a watch time. If you press the button, you can go through all the settings. And there's the stopwatch feature.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, awesome.
That's it.
So this project would also be something that's nice for someone that begins with this type of electronics.
Yeah,
So they
for
can start to learn how to...
the solder boards and get it to work.
Okay, how long would you say this project would take?
For beginner, probably 30 minutes in total.
Okay,
The guy that already been soldering, probably 15 minutes or so.
okay,
That's
great.
it.
For more
Okay.
information, check out the website.
Sure.
Thanks.